Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to cook jackfruit curry. For that, we need to cut the jackfruit and keep it in a bowl and add turmeric and then add the salt and then add the red chili powder. I have added 1.5 teaspoon. Now mix it well and then we need to pressure cook this jackfruit for 3 to 4 whistles in this pressure cooker and then keep it aside. And now add oil into the kadai. Once the oil is heated, add 3 to 4 cloves and 1 inch cinnamon. Once the clove and the cinnamon are fried, now add the whole dhania into the oil. Fry it and then add red chilies to the dhania. Fry it nicely. This is the masala we are going to add to the curry. Now add the ginger and goes the garlic. Fry it nicely and I'm adding 3 to 4 onions chopped to it. I have added the onions into it now. Fry it nicely and then add the tomatoes chopped. I have added 3 to 4 tomatoes. Once it is fried well, cool it and grind it and keep it aside. Now add oil to the kadai and once the oil is heated, add the green chilies to the oil. Once the green chilies are fried, add the boiled jackfruit into the kadai. Transfer the whole jackfruit to the kadai. Now give a stir and then add the masala to the jackfruit. This jackfruit is a seasonal fruit, so whenever you get, you can try this recipe. This is a very tasty recipe. Now mix it well. We have jackfruit only as a fruit, but we can also cook it. Now add water a little and let the curry cook well. And once you see the bubbles, the curry is ready, and garnish with chopped coriander. Hope you people like this curry. Try it in your homes and enjoy it. Now the curry is ready to be served. You can have it with fulka. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.